Camera shy, camera shy. Hello, everyone.
We've been just going.
It's me, Dakota, back at it with another video. Today I am doing an unboxing video. One of my good friends from, make sure you can't see my address or anything like that. One of my good friends from social media sent me a care package. He does, what do you call it, recycled clothing? Like
upcycled stuff?
Repurposing clothing. So he sent me some stuff that he thought that I would like. And I'm really excited to see it because he has some dope stuff on his accounts. I'll be sure to link his stuff in the description to the video below. Also in the background, that's my buddy Riley. Is it okay if I put your Instagram and stuff?
Yeah.
In the bio? Okay, I'll put Riley's Instagram and whatnot in the description below as well.
I have to see one thing. Okay, here I am.
Yeah, there he is.
I'm very small.
He's small boy. Let's see if I can.
Also, that was Raleigh.
Opening the packages is always the hardest part. And I always get really scared that I'm going to cut whatever's inside the package.
Man,
there we go.
I can't use sharp things. I just tear it and tear it and tear it.
Oh, okay. This says private message, so I won't read this on camera. But I will read this on camera! What's that scene in Blue's Clues where he's like, we just got a letter, we just got a letter, wonder who it's from.
We just got a letter, we just got a letter, we just got a letter, wonder who it's from.
It says, Dakota, thank you so much for your interest in our brand, Apparel. We are a clothes reselling business based in Michigan, and we specialize in offering amazing prices on vintage and modern clothing that you can't find in big box clothing retailers. Today we sent you a small sampler of the diversity in products that we can provide. I'm looking at the first thing and I'm already super excited. So the first thing is a custom bleach-dyed Apparel Champion tee. This is a one-of-a-kind piece just for you, branded with our name in a custom bleach design. Oh my god, this is so fun! That's so cool!
I have never successfully
made
dope bleach stuff, you know?
That's so cool.
That is cool.
Ooh, I'm stoked. And it just got cold too, so it's like
no.
perfect. It went from 70 degrees and sunny to like 40 degrees and overcast.
I was not happy. I went outside in shorts and turned around.
The next thing you sent me is a vintage Bauer fanny pack.
Oh, yes!
Which is great because I've actually been looking for a fanny pack for my trips to like Six Flags and
really?
stuff. Yes, I went
you're a cool dad.
I went to Tilly's yesterday where I got my pop socket.
Yeah.
And I was like, they had a wall of fanny packs. I was like, dude, I really need a fanny pack for my trips to Six Flags because that you can't carry backpacks and stuff there because I'm afraid it'll get stolen. So fanny pack's much more secure. Says,
and you look really cool.
Yeah, I'm obviously a dad. What a better way to celebrate spring arriving than with an oversized fanny pack. You can fit all of your essentials in there for a fun day out on the town and still look fashionable. Oh, dude, this thing is sick.
Oh, wow. And
man,
it's
he
huge,
meant
actually.
it when he said oversized. This is a picnic bag.
When I was a kid, my mom would wear fanny packs when we would go on vacation, specifically because it would embarrass my brother.
That sounds like something I would do, honestly.
Parenting goals.
Next up is a California Floral Old Navy adjustable cap. This hat screams summer aesthetic. Looks like something that Tyler the Creator would wear. We're assuming that he would approve.
Oh, that's a dope hat. I'm into it.
Dude.
I love me a good flat back.
This is sick. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. I don't even care. Next up is a vintage 1986 Phantom of the Opera mug, which is great because I'm a Broadway nerd.
I love mugs too much.
Phantom of the Opera is one of my favorite Broadway musicals. This mug is from the opening of the Phantom of the Opera on Broadway and was brought into fashion when Kanye West wore a vintage Phantom tee in 2017. Okay, that's pretty. This is the original image, look.
Yes, we have that mug at home.
The original mask and everything.
That's a dope mug.
And it's back when it was blue
when I
instead
said
of
we,
red.
I mean my dad has it and I'm not allowed to have it and I'm mad.
Oh. Well, maybe he'll put it in his will, you know?
Yeah, just gotta wait till he dies.
Hey, come on, Dad.
I want my Phantom coffee now.
Next up is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger striped thermal tee.
Catch me in 5th grade.
This tee is an essential to anyone looking to start a vintage wardrobe or fit. With the bright colors and the Tommy flag placed oh so perfectly, it will be hard to miss. Let's find this. Oh. We wasn't kidding. Oh, wow.
Nice.
That's so cool. And then we have a Crooks and Castles Black Medusa Tee. A more modern item in the box is this tee from the streetwear brand Crooks and Castles. Includes the very recognizable Medusa head on the front. I feel kind of bad because it says the very recognizable Medusa head, but I've never heard of...
You don't know who Medusa is?
No, I know who Medusa is.
I was like, bro.
I don't know who Crooks and Castles is.
Oh, dang, really?
Yeah.
I mean...
That's pretty sick, though.
I wouldn't say I'm like lifelong fan, but I know of them. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's dope. Honor amongst thieves.
Yes. We've made peace. We're a truce. Hello.
We have a vintage surf style teal tee. One of the premier surf brands in Florida, Surf Style was a staple of surf in the 90s. This t-shirt symbolizes that well with neon rainbow lettering. Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
That goes really well with my neon orange fanny
fanny
pack.
pack, yes.
Yeah. I'm going to be popping
Honestly,
this summer, guys.
Yes.
I'm going to look good. Got a 20th anniversary DC and Wu-Tang Clan tee. Wu-Tang Clan are legends of rap from the 90s. This shirt was a collab with DC for the 20-year anniversary of the 36 Chambers album. Very rare. Let's look at this. Let's see.
Martin Shkreli.
Oh, this is
Wu-Tang album.
dope. Look at that.
I love it.
That's cool as shit.
You just gotta get that limited edition Wu-Tang album.
What's it say on the side? Oh, it just says 20-year anniversary. That's so cool. We hope you enjoy the pieces and highly suggest your viewers check us out on Instagram at nvsupply and on MERCARI and Depop at nvapparel. I will link all of those accounts in the description below. When making a purchase, message us, Dakota sent me, for 5% off your total order. So not only did they send me all this dope stuff, they also gave you guys a discount code, and if that's not the nicest thing. Wow, thank you so much at NV Apparel. That is super cool of you. I can't wait to try some of this stuff out, specifically the fanny pack and this hat. Obviously, I already love the hat. If you guys did like this video and want to see more like it, please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. Make sure that if you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do that because that would be super nice of you, and I'll see you guys next time.